This is All India Radio. Now we bring you a special program on the 6th International Day of Yoga celebrations in India and abroad.
Yoga is a way of life in our country, and even the world is in awe of the energy that Yoga Shakti brings along to its practitioner. On June 21st every year, International Yoga Day is observed with celebrations encouraging and celebrating the power of ancient Indian system of yoga. The idea of establishing a special day to celebrate the art of yoga was proposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Through the initiative, the Prime Minister wanted to share this unique gift given by our ancestors with the whole world. He proposed this idea during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2014, while suggesting that Yoga Day should be celebrated on the 21st of June as it is the longest day of the year. This year, in the face of the COVID-19 pandemic, we will celebrate this day in a way that ensures the country's well-being by yoga at home and yoga with family. The 6th International Day of Yoga celebrations commenced with a message from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In a televised message, Mr. Modi said, "Yoga brings people together and gives a message of universal brotherhood." He said yoga has emerged as a force for unity, and it does not discriminate and goes beyond race, color, gender, faith and nations.
Yoga enhances our quest for a healthier planet. It has emerged as a force for unity and deepens the bonds of humanity. It does not discriminate. It goes beyond race, color, gender, faith and nations. Anybody can embrace yoga.
The Prime Minister said yoga helps in strengthening our respiratory and immune system, which plays a crucial part in dealing with diseases.
साथियों, कोरोना पैंडेमिक के कारण आज दुनिया योग की जरूरत को पहले से भी अधिक गंभीरता से महसूस कर रही है। अगर हमारी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग हो तो हमें इस बीमारी को हराने में बहुत मदद मिलती है। इम्यूनिटी को बढ़ाने के लिए योग की अनेक विधियां हैं, अनेक प्रकार के आसन है। वो आसन ऐसे हैं जो हमारे शरीर की स्ट्रेंथ को बढ़ाते हैं, हमारे मेटाबॉलिज्म उसको शक्तिशाली करते हैं। लेकिन कोविड-19 वायरस खास तौर पर हमारे श्वसन तंत्र यानी कि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पर अटैक करता है।
Mr. Modi said the world is realizing the potential of yoga in this coronavirus pandemic, and people affected with coronavirus are utilizing the benefits of yoga. He said coronavirus hits our respiratory system, and several breathing exercises like pranayam and anulom vilom strengthen our respiratory system. He said taking part in the My Life, My Yoga video blogging contest during the coronavirus pandemic shows that enthusiasm for yoga is increasing.
कोविड-19 वायरस खास तौर पर हमारे श्वसन तंत्र यानी कि रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम पर अटैक करता है। हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को स्ट्रांग करने में जिससे सबसे ज्यादा मदद मिलती है वो है प्राणायाम। प्राणायाम यानी एक प्रकार से ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज है। सामान्य तौर पर अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम ये एक प्रकार से पॉपुलर भी हैं, आप भी जानते हैं और लोग भी जानते हैं, करके भी दिखाते हैं। ये प्रभावी भी है, लेकिन प्राणायाम के अनेक प्रकार है। इसमें अगर आप प्राणायाम को जानने वालों से मिलोगे तो बताएंगे शीतली है, कपालभाति है, भ्रामरी है, भस्त्रिका है, बहुत है, अनगिनत है। अब तो नए नए जुड़ते भी चले जा रहे हैं। योग की ये सभी विधाएं, ये तकनीक हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम और इम्यून सिस्टम दोनों को मजबूत करने में बहुत मदद करती है। इसलिए आपसे मेरा विशेष आग्रह है आप आसन करते हो, एक्सरसाइज करते हो, जो भी करते हो जरूर करें, लेकिन आप प्राणायाम को अपने डेली अभ्यास में जरूर शामिल करिए और अनुलोम विलोम के साथ ही अनेक जो प्राणायाम की टेक्निक्स हैं उसे भी सीखिए, उसको सिद्ध कीजिए। योग की इन पद्धतियों का लाभ बड़ी संख्या में आज पूरी दुनिया में ये कोरोना वायरस से ग्रसित जो लोग हैं वो पेशेंट उसका लाभ ले भी रहे हैं। योग की ताकत से उन्हें इस बीमारी को हराने में मदद मिल रही है। साथियों, योग से हमें वो आत्मविश्वास और मनोबल भी मिलता है जिससे हम संकटों से जूझ सकें और जीत सकें।
The Prime Minister said the theme of International Day of Yoga this year is Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, and when family members perform yoga and energy flows into the house. Therefore, at this time, Yoga Day is also a day of emotional yoga and it is a day to increase our family bonding.
इस साल अंतर्राष्ट्रीय योग दिवस की थीम योगा एट होम एंड योगा विथ फैमिली ये तय हुई है। आज हम सब सामूहिक कार्यक्रमों से दूर रहकर घर में ही अपने परिवार के साथ मिलकर योग कर रहे हैं। बच्चे हो, बड़े हो, युवा हो, परिवार के बुजुर्ग हो, सभी जब एक साथ योग के माध्यम से जुड़ते हैं तो पूरे घर में एक ऊर्जा का संचार होता है और इसलिए इस बार का योग दिवस अगर मैं दूसरे शब्दों में कहूं तो ये भावात्मक योग का भी दिन है। हमारी फैमिली बॉन्डिंग को भी बढ़ाने का दिन है।
He said anybody can embrace yoga and the day is not far when the world will witness the success of health and happy humanity, and yoga can definitely help us make this happen.
Friends, if we can fine-tune our course of health and hope, the day is not far away when world will witness the success of healthy and happy humanity. Yoga can definitely help us make this happen.
He appealed to the people to embrace yoga as a daily routine activity.
जब हम योग से चलते हैं, कर्मयोग की भावना से चलते हैं, तो व्यक्ति के तौर पर, समाज के तौर पर, देश के तौर पर हमारी शक्ति भी कई गुना बढ़ जाती है। आज हमें इसी भावना से संकल्प लेना है। हम अपने स्वास्थ्य के लिए, अपनों के स्वास्थ्य के लिए हर संभव प्रयास करेंगे। एक सजग नागरिक के रूप में हम परिवार और समाज के रूप में एकजुट होकर आगे बढ़ेंगे। हम प्रयास करेंगे कि योगा एट होम एंड योगा विथ फैमिली को अपने जीवन का हिस्सा बनाएं। ये सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए नहीं होना चाहिए। और अगर हम ये करेंगे तो हम जरूर सफल होंगे, हम जरूर विजयी होंगे।
The observation of International Day of Yoga in the past years has been marked by mass demonstrations of yoga in public places. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak this year, the main focus is on encouraging people to do yoga at their homes with participation of the entire family. Yoga is found to be a significant activity in the current pandemic situation as its practice leads to both physical and mental well-being and increases the individual's ability to fight diseases in an effective manner. To promote yoga, My Life, My Yoga video blogging contest with attractive creative prizes is also being organized by the Ministry of Ayush, in which people are being encouraged to post their short video clips performing different yogasanas. President Ramnath Kovind today greeted the people on the occasion of the 6th International Day of Yoga. In a tweet, he said the ancient science of yoga is India's greatest gift to the world. Mr. Kovind said amid stress and strife, especially in the COVID-19 pandemic situation, practicing yoga can help keep the body fit and the mind serene. The President said it is glad to see that more and more people are adopting it. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu today said yoga helps in improving physical and mental well-being of an individual. On the occasion of 6th International Day of Yoga, Mr. Naidu said, theme for the Yoga Day this year, Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family, reflects the need to maintain safe distancing amid the COVID-19 pandemic. He said yoga, a 5,000-year-old tradition, is not a mere workout. It is much more than that. It is a philosophy, a discipline. He said yoga, which means to join or unite, basically seeks to bring out a harmonious union of the mind and the body. It is a science that emphasizes balance, poise, grace, equanimity, peace and harmony. The Vice President said the tremendous response to the International Day of Yoga is a matter of delight, and we are happy that we have been able to unite the world for such a positive cause. He appealed to all countrymen to do yoga and meditation at home regularly to keep fit and healthy. Home Minister Amit Shah today said yoga is not just a way to keep fit, but also a medium to maintain balance between body, mind, work and thoughts. Greeting people on the occasion of International Yoga Day 2020, Mr. Shah said, yoga has received global acceptance due to the tireless efforts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said yoga is a unique gift of Indian culture to the entire humanity. Mr. Shah appealed to the people to make yoga a part of their daily lives. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar said that everyone should celebrate International Day of Yoga as per the theme of this year, Yoga at Home and Yoga with Family.
आज भारत में चूंकि कोरोना का काल है, योगा घर में करो, फैमिली के साथ करो और इसी तरह सभी परिवार एक साथ आज योगा कर रहे हैं। योगा से शरीर मन बहुत अच्छा रहता है और इसलिए योगा का सबको प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए।
The Minister of State for Ayush, Shripad Naik, said that International Day of Yoga has turned into a massive public health movement. He said now every country of the world celebrates International Day of Yoga, and the public has embraced this event and adopting it as a celebration of India's culture and tradition. The minister said that this year the day comes in the midst of a health emergency, so the Ayush Ministry has been fostering and facilitating the trend of practicing yoga at home through various online and hybrid online initiatives since the past 3 months. Minority Affairs Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi today participated in the 6th International Yoga Day by performing yoga at his residence with people from different communities. Mr. Naqvi said yoga provides benefit to people of all age groups. He said yoga has now become the crown of the world's health, and people feel proud that India's 1,000-year-old culture has proved to be a resource of health for the entire world. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship has said that over 96,000 people have been trained as yoga instructors and trainers under the Skill India mission. The ministry in a statement said they have been trained through different skilling initiatives under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, recognition of prior learning, short-term training and special projects. The states with the highest number of skilled candidates are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala and West Bengal. Emphasizing on the need for yoga instructors and trainers in the country, the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, said yoga is an invaluable gift to the world from India that has roots in our ancient Vedic traditions. He said the ministry has been working closely with Beauty and Wellness Sector Skill Council to build awareness regarding various career prospects in the field of yoga. Many Bollywood celebrities have pledged their support for the International Day of Yoga being celebrated today. Numerous celebrities and influencers have shared motivational messages and thoughts encouraging people to participate in the International Day of Yoga. Some of the celebrities include well-known actors Akshay Kumar, Anushka Sharma, Milind Soman and Shilpa Shetty Kundra. In their promotional messages shared with the Ministry of Ayush, they have emphasized that yoga is a practice which unites people across the world for a common cause and conveys the message of peace and harmony. International Yoga Day is observed across the Ladakh region with full enthusiasm. Due to COVID-19 restrictions in place, various sections of the public have participated in the International Yoga Day at their homes. Ladakh Lieutenant Governor R.K. Mathur has led the region with Tadasana and Bhujangasana on International Yoga Day. More from our correspondent.
Leh was announced as the venue for International Yoga Day for this year. Had COVID-19 pandemic not been there, Leh in Ladakh would have celebrated International Yoga Day with none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As per the SOPs by the Ministry of Ayush, Ladakh observed Yoga Day with the theme of Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. In the northern frontiers of Himalayas, the Frontline Defence Force ITBP and Indian Army at the world's highest battlefield Siachen have observed International Yoga Day during the harsh weather conditions. Along the passion, yoga is one of the factors that keeps the forces going in challenging conditions in the toughest climate and terrains. UT administration trained villagers and students even in the far-flung and bordering villages in yoga with the help of Nehru Yuva Kendra and Ministry of Ayush, National Research Institute of Sowa Rigpa. People in bordering villages have enthusiastically participated in International Yoga Day at their homes and rooftops. Ramesh Chandra, Leh.
In Uttar Pradesh, International Day of Yoga is being celebrated following social distancing norms. The celebrations began at 7 this morning. More from our correspondent.
The government has appealed to all social groups and individuals to celebrate the Yoga Day on digital media platforms. Due to coronavirus pandemic, large gatherings of yoga have been prohibited. People have been appealed to celebrate the day by doing yoga at home, make videos and put them on social networking sites. A large number of enthused people are seen sharing videos and photos of yoga practice on social sites. State Chief Secretary Rajen Kumar Tiwari said the government has announced a yoga competition for male, female and professional yoga trainers in the state. At a state level, first prize will be for rupees 51,000, second for 21,000 and third for 11,000. In the same way, at district level, the first prize is for rupees 2,100 and second for 1,100 and third for rupees 501. MS Yadav, Lucknow.
In Madhya Pradesh, a special session focusing on online yoga was organized in Indore on the occasion of International Day of Yoga. Thousands of people joined this session from their homes yesterday. At the same time, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan also appealed to people to do yoga inside homes so that the corona infection spread can be prevented. More from our correspondent.
In this special online yoga session held in Indore, Swami Ramdev gave tips about how to avoid corona and also taught simple ways to boost immunity. In this program, 10,648 people altogether practiced yoga online, which is also a record. In this camp, Swami Ramdev gave the mantra to defeat corona with the help of diet, rules, pranayams and many yogasanas. On the other hand, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan said in his message on Yoga Day that yoga means to connect and ask people to stay healthy, stay happy and practiced yoga only by staying at home instead of collecting yoga program. He said that today yoga has become more important during the corona crisis as it is also helpful in keeping the body healthy and increasing immunity. Sanjeev Sharma, Bhopal.
International Day of Yoga is being celebrated in Maharashtra including Mumbai. Under the cloud of COVID-19 pandemic, various virtual sessions and programs are being held in Mumbai to celebrate the day. More from our correspondent.
In the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic, Mumbaikars are celebrating the International Day of Yoga by attending the virtual sessions of yoga as the importance of yoga is proving vital for them to keep COVID-19 at bay. Bollywood celebrities like Akshay Kumar, Shilpa Shetty, Anushka Sharma and Milind Soman have also encouraged people to participate in the celebrations from their homes and adopt the healthy lifestyle. On the occasion of International Day of Yoga, Films Division is screening a series of public awareness films under Celebrities Speak, highlighting importance of yoga for physical and mental well-being. Shashi Kumar Bhatlavande, a blind yoga teacher from Usmanabad who is practicing yoga for past 15 years, has become a yoga icon as he has conducted more than 200 pranayam sessions and trained more than 5 lakh people and 2 lakh students in Maharashtra. Shailesh Patil, Mumbai.
On the International Yoga Day today, millions of people in Tamil Nadu joined the whole world in acknowledging the effectiveness of yoga. Though total lockdown is in place in Chennai and its suburbs due to the prevailing pandemic, yoga gurus are using technology to train students. A report from our correspondent.
Every year on the International Yoga Day, massive public demonstrations used to be held, but this year the lockdown has served as a dampener. However, it could not hamper the resolve of the yoga enthusiasts in continuing their training sessions. The yoga guru belonging to the Brahmakumaris movement in Tiruvallur, Vijayalakshmi, conducted a training session with her trainees today using the technological tool, an online meeting app. She told her disciples yoga dispels fears and helps to do introspection on one's strengths and weaknesses. A primary school student from Virudhunagar in southern Tamil Nadu who has practiced yoga since the age of 5 said it helps her concentrate on her studies. Jai Singh, Chennai.
Assam Rifles celebrated the 6th International Yoga Day on the 21st of June 2020 with the enthusiastic participation of all ranks, families and children in consonance with the theme of Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family, while adhering to COVID-19 precautions. Participants did not let COVID-19 discourage them from keeping fit and practiced yoga at their homes, barracks and forward posts. Sikkim Governor Ganga Prasad today led the state's International Day of Yoga celebrations at Raj Bhavan, Gangtok. Officials and ITBP Jawans posted at Raj Bhavan also participated in the yoga demonstration, which followed this year's theme of Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. The common yoga protocol was performed under the supervision of Dr. Vinodha from Ayush Division of Sikkim Health Department. The governor emphasized the need to incorporate yoga in daily routine and stressed on asanas useful in boosting immunity. The governor added that yoga, if followed and incorporated in the right orientation, can effectively help in fighting COVID-19 pandemic at the individual level. Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Tamang has also wished people on International Yoga Day. He said yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient traditions and urged people to adopt it to bring positive change in their lifestyle. In South Sikkim, yoga practitioners celebrated the occasion indoors and through online platforms. Students at Sports Authority of India SAI Namchi practiced yoga at home while coach and staff conducted a yoga session at SAI Special Area Game Center Namchi to mark International Yoga Day. Border Security Force, the first line of defense of the country, today observed the 6th International Yoga Day. The bordermen have observed the day all along the international border with Pakistan and Bangladesh, following prescribed norms of social distancing. Seema Praharis, along with families, took part in the Yoga Day from the confines of their border outposts and homes throughout BSF locations in the country. Yoga has taken a prime role in enhancing mental and physical fitness of troops in the Border Security Force and has become a way of life in its own way. Border Security Force has a pool of around 5,000 yoga instructors who impart training regularly in yoga as physical and mental training exercises to the bordermen. Vajrakor celebrated 6th International Yoga Day today on the theme Yoga at Home, Yoga with Family. Common yoga protocol including self-practices to improve physical, mental, emotional and spiritual health was followed on Yoga Day by all formations of Vajrakor in their military stations. All ranks and families of Vajrakor joined the Yoga Day program and practice yoga from their home, making use of various digital platforms. At the end of the session, a pledge was taken by all participants to observe self-discipline and to abide by all advisories and instructions of COVID-19 issued by the government. They also pledged to use yoga techniques to enhance their immunity to fight coronavirus infection. In Dubai, on the eve of the 6th International Day of Yoga, the Indian Consulate hosted a virtual yoga session to mark the occasion. Addressing the Indian community, Consul General Vipul said the importance of yoga gains more relevance in this pandemic situation, where the practice of yoga helps in increasing one's immunity and keeping the person healthy. A report.
The open practice session and the harmonious gathering of people on the occasion was missing on this International Day of Yoga in the UAE due to COVID-related restrictions, but the yoga enthusiasts are all geared to celebrate the occasion in a different way. A 1-hour live virtual session of the yoga was conducted by the Indian Consulate in Dubai with a handful of representatives of the Indian community observing social distancing and other precautionary measures. Addressing the Indian community online, Consul General Vipul said the importance of yoga gains more relevance in this pandemic situation, where the practice of yoga helps in increasing the immunity and keeping the person healthy. Heeding the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yoga enthusiasts in UAE will be observing the occasion today with their family from the confines of their home. Kanchan Prasad, Dubai.
In Sri Lanka, International Yoga Day is being celebrated across the country by Indian missions and other organizations. The Indian High Commission in Colombo organized a program at headquarters of Sri Lankan Army in Colombo, where Army Chief Lieutenant General Shavendra Silva and Indian High Commissioner Gopal Bagle took part. Over 100 army personnel performed asanas under the guidance of Sri Lanka's renowned yoga teacher Guru Vyas. The program was also streamed live in Pannadura and Trincomalee with participation of army personnel there. Recorded messages from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Sri Lankan President Gotabaya Rajapaksa were screened on the occasion. The Indian consulate in Jaffna organized a program where over 100 officials and students participated and performed yoga asanas. Essay and drawing competitions on yoga were also held earlier and prizes were given to winners today. Indian consulates in Hambantota and Kandy organized similar programs, while several Indian families and cultural organizations are celebrating the occasion at home, keeping in mind the health safety norms and social distancing. It is a matter of pride for all Indians that our great knowledge of yoga to keep the minds and body in harmony was accepted and appreciated not only across our own country but also all over the world. Our country has many treasures and we are very happy and proud to share one of the best treasures among them with the world, that is the treasure of yoga.
You were listening to a special program on the 6th International Day of Yoga celebrations in India and abroad. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on our mobile app News on AIR. This program is also available on our website newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com.